Yo guys, what's up? Jawnes here, and in today's video I'm to show you how you can fix Rockstar game services unavailable. But before I do, I just want to let you know that you can go ahead and download Movie Show. It's a great app that shows you all the latest information about the latest movies, and it's available for both Android and iOS users, so I highly advise you to check it out. Okay, so basically when you are facing the error of the Rockstar game services unavailable, it's usually due to you having a bad internet connection, a huge amount of lag, or just a random IP address conflict or problem that I will walk you through how to fix it in this easy method. So first of all, we're going to try to go ahead and identify the error. So you're going to log out and close GTA 5 and then go to the settings of a PlayStation and then test internet connection settings in order to identify any potential issue. If on this tab everything is successful and you do not have a problem that is due to, for example, a sudden update or anything, you're going to go ahead and view the connection status and note down the subnet mask and the default gateway. So once you do that, we're gonna go ahead and set up internet connection. I usually use LAN cable. Here select custom IP address, could be automatic for this time. DHCP do not specify, and DNS settings manual. Now the DNS list that you have right here is basically showing you some of the most famous and most used DNS providers, and gonna have to link in you're gonna have a link in the description that you can check out. On this link as well, you're gonna go ahead and download a software called Namebench, where you put the DNS codes like 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4, and all the other codes in the name servers tab. And this software, available for both Windows and Apple, will allow you to test the bench speeds, like the benchmarks, and then you will be able to find out which DNS or domain name system suits best for your connection. So when you enter the addresses, it's going to test it, and then it's going to give you a table with results showing you the best DNS that you can use. So I highly recommend you to use that software. Link will be in the description. So once you do that, we're gonna go ahead and show you a few examples like Cloudflare DNS, OpenDNS, and Google DNS secondary server. Those were the ones that were the best on my Namebench test. So for example, I'm gonna go ahead and enter Cloudflare primary DNS, which is 1.1.1.1, pretty simple for primary DNS, and 1.1.0.0.1 for the secondary DNS. Once you do that, you have entered the second DNS code. MTU will be automatic and proxy servers do not use. Right there, you're gonna go ahead and test your internet speed again to find out the new test and download speed that you have gotten. But there's one thing: if this somehow did not improve your internet connection, you can go ahead and try other DNS. Now, if you use Namebench, it's going to give you the top DNS servers that you're going to try. But if you did not use it and you do not want to download Namebench, for example, you can try other DNS servers for yourself and see which one suits you best, and it's going to be different for each and every person. Now, one last tip I would give you guys is that the speed of the internet that you can potentially have could be improved using those methods. For example, right here, using Google's DNS, which were 8.8.8.8 for primary and 8.8.4.4, suits me better than using the Cloudflare's DNS. And the second method that you can try is to connect your PlayStation to your mobile phone via Hotspot using your mobile data, because usually mobile data is better than Wi-Fi, especially when Wi-Fi is causing the error. But there's one thing you have to keep in mind, that GTA consumes 400 megabytes per hour if you're playing with full sessions, and only 10 to 20 megabytes if you're playing only with close friends session, invite only session, or with one of your friends, because in some areas mobile data is very expensive. So pretty much connecting to your mobile hotspot will fix the error. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also join my PS4 community, and I'll see you next time. Peace.